Good morning, everyone. Let's start with today's session. A very good morning to all and namaste. So let's begin with today's session. We start. So take any comfortable sitting position. Make your posture completely relaxed. The hands are in either the chin mudra or the palms are rested on the knees like this. We close our eyes. We scan our body to make sure that we are comfortably sitting for a few moments. Relax the shoulders down. Make sure that the neck is not coming forward. We start with scanning our both legs first. Observe the legs. Consciously trying to remove the tightness or stiffness from the legs. Now we shift our awareness to our back, low back, mid back, upper back, direct the breath into the area or body parts we are observing. Make sure that the shoulders are relaxed and a little back in line with the upper spine. Observe the neck. Keep the neck uplifted. Chin is parallel to the floor. Relax the facial muscles. Relax the jaws, forehead. Observe the ears, eyes. Now we bring our awareness to our breath. So focus on the normal breath first. Make sure that the breathing pattern is correct. That is, with inhalation, the abdomen and chest are expanding, and with exhalation, abdomen and chest are relaxing. We take a couple of deep breaths, controlled, slow, and without any break. Slowly inhale. Exhale out, slow, controlled exhalation. We stop the practice of deep inhale, exhale. Observe the normal flow of the breath. Now we start with 5 Om chanting. So we start inhaling. Observe the changes in the breath after the Om chant. Maintaining the observation on the normal breathing only for few more moments. Observe the silence. And we can bring our both the palms over our eyes. We open the eyes gently, and once eyes are completely open, we can remove our hands and namaste. Fine. So, beginning with today's session, we'll be focusing today on practices related to our neck and the upper back, right? So, the exercises we'll be doing for the stretchings, and most of the exercises will be focusing on strengthening our neck muscles, right? Since neck muscles are connected, neck and upper back muscles are connected. So, when we are doing certain upper back strengthening, we are indirectly strengthening our neck muscles also. Fine. So make sure that while doing this exercise, you are feeling okay. And if you think that you can't hold for longer, since these things, exercises which we are doing this for the first time. And I'll ask you to hold for 10 seconds. So if you think that you can't hold the position for 10 seconds, so anytime you can stop in between and give relaxation to your neck and the upper back. So we start with our exercises. So first we are doing gentle stretches for the neck, and then we proceed towards the strengthening of the neck and the upper back. So starting from the neck side twisting. Only for few rounds, we'll be doing this for 3 counts, but we'll make sure that we are able to fully twist our neck. Okay, it has to be comfortable. So we start. So we first inhale, and with exhalation, keeping the chin parallel to the floor, we will try to rotate our neck. Since this is the first exercise for the day we are doing, we will not push too much. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. 3 more rounds. With exhalation, rotating the neck. With inhalation, center. We change the side. Keep a check on the chin. Also take care that the shoulders are not coming up. They are in relaxed. Change. The last round with inhalation, center. Exhale. Last side. With inhalation, center, and we relax. Fine. So next stretch which we will be doing, it is neck extension flexion. So we'll be working towards stretching the front and the back muscles, right? So demonstrating this once, it will be with inhalation. We will take our neck back. Again, making sure that they are relaxed, the shoulders are relaxed. And slowly, with exhalation, okay. For people who don't feel stretch while extending their neck back and bringing it forward, okay. One thing I would like to say that for people who have some pain in the neck, they will avoid the forward flexion. They will avoid the forward bending of the knee. Fine. They can gently take their neck back and then relax center. Okay, neck back, relax. Fine. So we will avoid, for people who have neck pain, they are going to avoid the forward bending. For if they are suffering with the neck pain problem for over a longer period of time. So forward flexion to be avoided. Okay. For people who don't feel the stretch while extending the neck back and down, they can keep both the jaws. jaws, jabda hamara, right? The lower and the upper jaw, they can keep them joined together so to feel more stretch. Fine. So you can try this for few rounds. For few rounds, try keeping the jaws open and then do the exercise. And for the other few rounds, you can keep them closed. Okay, you can keep them closed and feel the difference in the stretch. Now we will start with the exercise. So with inhalation, neck back. Exhale, neck forward. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Last round. Inhale back. And exhale forward. And slowly we can get back into the center. Right. Okay. If you feel any kind of dizziness while doing the exercises, maybe you can check if you are keeping the eyes closed. Okay. So when we practice neck exercises with eyes open, that can remove the dizziness. Okay. So we won't be feeling that we are feeling a dizziness. Fine. So now the next exercise which we'll be doing, we'll be working for the strengthening of the neck muscles. Okay, so strengthening of the side neck muscles. So this is called the chin tuck exercise, showing you from the side angle. So how to do the exercise? Keeping the chin parallel to the floor. Right? The chin is parallel to the floor and looking straight. You can keep your 2 fingers like this on the chin. Right, like this, and slowly maintaining the chin parallel to the floor, and we come forward, back and forward. So for the initial few rounds, we are going to do this continuously, and for the last few rounds, we will be holding the chin tuck exercise. Right. So while taking it back, again I'm repeating, we have to be sure that the chin is parallel and that we are not pushing too hard to take it back. Okay, you will feel the strengthening here. Okay, and by the side of the neck, here at the back side of the ear, and by the side of the neck. Right. So I think we all can start. So you can keep the first 2 fingers, the index and the middle finger like this. And slowly, first we inhale, and with exhalation, I'm not pushing my neck back with the help of my fingers, rather I'm just taking the sense of the movement of the neck to my fingers. Again, chin back, release, back, release, chin tuck, release. Make sure to keep your eyes open. Again, release. Feel the relaxation in the neck muscles after releasing this exercise. Now we stay. We will hold the position for 6 seconds. Okay, so we will hold the position for 6 seconds at least. So we give the chin tuck, holding the exercise for another 3, 2, 1. We return to the starting position. Again, second round of holding, chin tuck. 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax the neck. Third holding. Chin tuck again. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Staying into the relaxed position for a few more moments, because for the next 2 counts we will be holding for 10 seconds. Chin tuck, staying for 10 seconds. Keep the eyes open, or if you feel like everything seems okay and there is no dizziness, then you can keep your eyes closed. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Last round for 10 seconds. Chin tuck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we relax. Relax the hand down. For a few seconds, for a few moments, we will close our eyes and observe the neck muscles. Alright, now we can open our eyes. Fine. So the next exercise which we'll be doing, we will be doing in standing position. The same exercise can be done in the seated position also. But it will be more comfortable for the neck and the upper back if we are doing the exercise from the standing position, because there is certain distance and will be require wall. We will require wall for the next exercise. And a certain distance has to be maintained between the wall and the body, between the wall and the feet. Okay, so it will be easier for us to measure the distance between the wall and the feet while we are in the standing position. Otherwise, you can do in the seated position also by going against the wall. Okay, so coming into the standing position like this. So there is distance between the wall and the feet, but rest of the body I am keeping it on the wall like this. Okay, so you can say that there is 10 centimeter distance between the wall and the feet. Fine. So joining everything, keep or resting my body like this. Chin is parallel to the floor. So first we bring our both the hands forward like this. Okay, and then slowly keeping hands like this on the wall. My hands are resting on the wall right now, and slowly with inhalation we take them up. You might feel a lot of stretch and that the hand is not now able to make the contact with the wall. That is completely okay. It is all this stiffness, okay, which we gain by which we gain by not working towards the stretching of the neck, and then release down. Okay, again demonstrating this. So my hands are on wall right now, and I'll be taking my hands slowly up. Now you will realize that your hands are no longer able to keep the contact with the wall. And this. Again. Yes. My hands are on the wall, they are in contact, and slowly take them up. Feel the stretch in the armpit by the side of the neck muscles. It's totally okay if you are not able to cross the hands like this. That is completely okay. Okay, so keep it till this level and then bring it down, forward. Again, for 7 more rounds we will do. With inhalation, up. in touch with the wall, up, trying our best to keep the contact with the wall, and slowly release the hands down, forward. Anytime you feel like taking the break from this exercise, you can take the break. And one more reminder that if we are doing for 10 rounds, you feel that too much tiredness is there or the muscles can't take any longer, so you can always practice for lesser rounds. One more point to take care of, keep breathing, keep doing the long breath, especially the exhalation. Try to make the exhalation longer. And we are free to exhale through mouth in this exercise. Make sure that the upper back is in contact with the wall. Last 2 rounds. Last. And slowly we can release the hand down. You can relax the whole body. Okay. So I'm sure we all must have felt the stretch. Okay. The stretch here while we take our hands up. So it shows if we are not able to keep the contact with the wall. Even my hand was not fully in contact with the wall while I was taking up. It's all because of the technique. Okay, since we have a lot of computer work, or we keep our neck in forward flexion position, forward bending position. So it becomes conditioning for our muscles. Okay, our muscles get tightened. They're conditioned now to keep it like this. So with regular stretching and strengthening practice, and with mindfulness or awareness of keeping our head in a straight position, okay, or just making certain changes in our lifestyle. Instead of holding the mobile like this, we can keep our mobile like this, and then whatever work we have to do, or maybe using some mobile holder, okay, to sit and then do whatever work you are doing, or watching some video on the mobile. Okay, so the next exercise again we'll be doing for the strengthening of the neck muscles. Fine. So demonstrating this once, I think we have done this once before. So starting from the right side, you can see this first, and then we will be doing. So for three rounds, holding for 6 to 7 seconds, we will do. Fine. So again, keep the chin parallel to the floor. Keeping the right hand like this. Now, I will try to push my head towards the left side, but in turn, my head will try to resist, or it will start to apply, my head will start to apply the strength to not to move left side. Okay, so this is, we are doing the resistance exercise or strengthening exercise for the neck muscles. So the equal force has to be applied from the hand and from the head and the neck muscles. Again, demonstrating this. So hand is trying to push the head forward, but in turn the head is resisting the hand strength by applying the strength. Staying for 7 seconds, and then we will release. And then again from this side. Fine. Make sure that the hand is straight. It is not like this. Okay, the hand is straight. Fine. So I think we all can start together. So we start from the right side. So our 7 second start. So Applying the force. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the hand down. Other side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Feel the sense of strength which the neck muscle is giving. Okay. So we are starting with the second round. We start again. Make sure that the chin is parallel and that the head is not moving in the opposite direction. Rather, we are keeping it straight in line with the spine. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Another round. Keep applying the strength from the neck and the head. Resist the hand strength. 3, 2, 1. Relax. And after we are releasing this exercise, observe the relaxation which your neck muscles feel. Keep pushing the head in turn trying to resist the force of the hand. 3, 2, 1, and relax. One last round, fourth round. This time trying for 10 seconds. If everything went well in the previous rounds, trying this for 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Last side. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we relax the hand down for a few moments. Keep observing the side of the neck or maybe at the back side of the head also. Okay, wherever you are feeling, we are just observing. Whereas we are feeling a sense of strength or a sense of relaxation. After we are done with the exercise, with closed eyes, keep observing the neck. And now we can open the eyes. Fine. So the next few exercises which we'll be doing in the lying down position. Okay, so the same exercise can be done in the seated position, but you will feel more stretch while we are doing from the lying down position. Fine. So for this, we are supposed to lie down on our abdomen, right? So we lie down on our abdomen like this. So demonstrating this first, and we will be keeping our forehead rested on the ground. Fine. If you think that you are not comfortable to keep the forehead rested on the ground, you can roll your mat or you can use some cushion to give height to the forehead. To give the height to the forehead. Like this. I am resting my forehead right now. And then it now becomes easier to rest the forehead on the floor, right? So again, like this. Again, I'm repeating, if you're not comfortable to keep the forehead rested, create some height for the forehead so that it becomes easier for the neck, nose, and for breathing as well. Right? So you can make or choose your adjustment now. demonstration for the next exercise. Now we are working towards the stretching of the upper back and the strengthening, and at the same time stretching of the side neck muscles, upper back and the side neck muscle, right? So resting my forehead like this, my hands like this by the side of the body, making sure that the hands are in 90-degree position, right? So the upper arm and lower arm is in 90-degree position or L shape, both the hands, L shape like this, keeping the feet joined. With inhalation, focusing on the upper back. Take your hands up. Now while taking the hands up, make sure that you are maintaining the L shape and slowly down. Again with inhalation, focusing on the upper back, take the hands up and then slowly down. Fine, so for the first 7 rounds, we are doing this continuously. And for the rest of the last 3 rounds, we will try holding the position. So I think we all can start together. So keep your forehead rested on the ground, on the height. Fine. Make the L shape of the hands, 90-degree position. Bring the focus on the upper back muscles, or the muscles between the shoulder blades, and then slowly with inhalation, take both the hands, maintaining the L shape, up, and then slowly relax. Again. Relax. Feel the work happening in the shoulder blades area. Inhale up. Try to squeeze the shoulder blades. Relax. Inhale up. Down. Inhale up. Shoulder blade squeeze. Only if you are feeling comfortable. 2 more rounds continuously. Inhale. Relax. Again. Relax. Now for the next 3 counts, we will try holding for 5 seconds. So with inhalation, both the hands up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly relax. Another round. Again. Hands up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now we will stay in this position, making the pillow of the hands like this, and either tilting your head sideways, or you can remain like this, keeping the forehead rested. But we have to give some relaxation to our hands also, because in the next exercise also we are going to use the hand. Okay, so we will relax our head right now to give some relaxation to the neck muscles. You can give some gap between the legs. Now we can open our eyes. So the next exercise also is supposed to be done from this position, right? From this position. So showing this one. So we'll be taking now again. You can keep the at folded, okay, because again we will require to keep our forehead rested on the ground, okay, and make sure that you are able to do breathing without any trouble. Fine. So we are not feeling that we have to make an effort to do the breathing while doing the exercise. The breathing has to be soft, okay, and without any trouble. Fine. So extending my both the hands forward like this and making sure that there is gap between my ears and the upper arm. Right. You can make the fist like this, but you can keep the thumb up. Right. Again, I'm showing you can make the fist, but keep the thumb up like this. Right. And you can get this time you can give the gap between the legs, comfortable gap between the legs. So resting the forehead like this, make sure that you are not feeling constriction in the side of the neck muscles. You can increase the gap between the hands. Okay. So right now, the distance between both the hands is a little wider than shoulder width. A little wider than shoulder width. Fine. Say half inch. So with inhalation, take your both the hands up and down as if you are trying to touch something with your thumb. Again, demonstrating. Inhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Fine. So now we are working towards the strengthening of our neck, shoulder, and scapula blades muscles. Right. So again, we'll be doing this for 10 rounds. Since it requires a lot of strength, so we will be staying for the last 3 counts for 3 seconds. Right? So we all can start together. Keep the forehead rested on the ground. Make sure you are feeling comfortable. Then only we will proceed with the exercise. Feeling comfortable on the breath. Now, we start with inhalation. Exhale and slowly down. With control only, we will bring our hands down. Slowly inhale. Exhale down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now we are done with the 7 continuous rounds. So if you feel okay, so now we can stay for 3 seconds. Okay, so again with inhalation, bring your both the hands up. 3, 2, 1, down. Second last round. Both the hands up. 3, 2, 1, down. Last. 3, 2, 1. Relax the hand down. Now, relax your forehead. Make the pillow of your hands. Relax the forehead on the hands. The next exercise which we'll be doing, it is called puppy pose, and it removes the stiffness, the tightness from our shoulders, upper back, and the neck muscles. Okay, so demonstrating this one, how to do this. So for that, we'll require to come into this. Okay. Okay, so we have to come in the on all four position. The position which we maintain by doing the Marsini Asana or the cat cow pose. Right? So the position is this. Now from here, we extend our hands forward like this. Right? So like this, we are maintaining the position. So from all fours, we have taken our hand forward and slowly. Now, before attempting this exercise, you have to be sure that the back is feeling okay, and especially the low back. Okay, and then slowly I take my upper body like this, and then slowly coming back. Inhale, exhale. Right? So I hope the instructions are clear. If you feel that it is taking too much strength to maintain or to keep your hand on the ground, you can always do this for lesser counts. Fine. So we will start. We are doing this for 10 counts. Right. So we'll start. We take the position again, showing from on all fours. From Marjorie stance, we are extending our hands forward like this, and then slowly we take our upper body or upper spine down, and then we come up. Make sure that you are not over pushing yourself, you are not forcing your body to move down. We are respecting our body's intensity and capacity. Again. This is inhale, exhale. Feel the stretches which you are getting in the upper back, armpit. Last 5 counts. Inhale, exhale up. Last 3. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, this is second last. Exhale, last. Inhale and exhale, and slowly we can move back into the Marjorie stance, right? And slowly we will bring both the legs together. Take the pelvic back and make the pillow of the hands like this, and again relaxing the neck muscles. Now, now I hope it was okay for all of us. Now, just to remove any kind of leftover stiffness, with that purpose, we'll be doing Marjorie cat cow pose. Okay. If yet there is some stiffness remaining in our spine or the neck or the upper back, so through this Marjorie asana, we will try to remove the stiffness or any leftover tightness. So again, coming to the Marjorie stance, make sure that the hands are feeling okay after the puppy pose, since it involves a lot of strength. Okay, so with this we can start with Marjorie. So for few rounds only we are doing. So inhale, spine going towards the floor, extend the neck up. Exhale, Spine going up towards the ceiling or roof. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last 3 rounds. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last. Inhale up. And exhale down. And slowly we can relax, get back to the neutral position of the spine. And now we can relax into the Shavasana pose. So from here we will lie down on our back. Relax your back on the mat. Extend the legs forward. So you can give a gentle twist in the neck to release the tension and to check if everything is okay by the side of the neck. So now we relax our whole body. So give the gap between both the legs. Make sure that the shoulders are relaxed and they are a little away from the body. Now, first, we observe our body again. Check your whole body, that you are not holding any tightness. Now we shift our awareness to our neck, shoulder muscles, including the armpit and the upper back muscles. Now we will visualize as if we are inhaling and exhaling from these areas. That is the neck, the shoulder muscles, upper back, so we will visualize that while inhaling, these areas are getting expanded. And while exhaling, these areas are getting relaxed. We are doing deep breathing right now. Feel the relaxation, the exhalation is breathing into the neck muscles, armpit area. And realize that the breath has become deeper. We stop the practice of deep inhale, exhale. Normal breath we are doing right now. bring the attention towards the toes and fingers. Give gentle movement in them. Join both the legs together, hands by the side of the body. We shift either to our right or left side, and we make the pillow of the same side hand. We gaze by bend in the knees, relax or stay here for a few more moments. The side lying down position. And slowly, with the help of hands, we sit back. We come into sitting position. Make yourself completely relaxed and comfortable. So we join both the palms together in Namaskar. We rub them together. Absorb the energy over the face, head, neck, shoulders, torso, front, back, and both the legs. Again, both the hands in Namaskar. We rub them. Now, making the cup shape of palms, we keep them over our closed eyes. We slowly open our eyes, and then we can remove our palms. And thank you, Namaskar to all. So I hope everything was fine for the neck today, the exercises which we did. So you might feel a sense of relaxation after we are back from this Shavasana practice. So stay with the relaxation and yes, keep observing how the neck is. It's all about our habits, okay? So we have to make sure, to keep our neck in a healthy state, that we are practicing healthy habits by keeping it, by giving some exercises regularly to the neck, stretching and strengthening, and also by using the technology, working on our sitting posture, okay, how we are sitting and how we are, if we are keeping the mobile like this. Okay, so it has to be kept at the eye level. This was all for today. And I hope everything is fine. If anyone of you have any question regarding the exercises which we did, so you can ask now. And have a nice day to all. And we'll meet next week. Thank you again.
Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you, sir.